want you to release that fish immediately. Everything after that, you can choose on your own time. You catch one big fish and like, hey, you know what? I'm gonna wait till 2 o'clock. I don't think Demon's gonna win the 2 o'clock time slot for whatever reason. Then hold on to it. It's up to you. But the caveat is that the tiebreaker is based on time. So if 2 anglers submit a 24-inch fish, that's the biggest one, either for the hour or overall. Whoever submitted their fish earliest will win. Does that make sense?
All right, y'all. We got about 7 minutes to first cast. I'm positioned up on a tree right now that is, you know, kind of notorious for at least holding like one fish, so I'll see if I can pick something good off of it early. Got a little bit more company than I anticipated, but it's all right. I mean, there's 70 guys out here. It's a small lake. It's what you expect. But don't have that long to go for first cast. Got all my stuff out of the truck in a reasonable amount of time. So we're gonna see what we can't do here. I'm gonna try to fish here, fish the point, wait a little bit, and then fish the dam later when the sun comes up a little bit more, and then probably just work my way throughout the shallower areas out towards the main lake.
at 10:03. Keep that number in mind. Colson Jim.
Woo!
Colson Jim. Don't go.
I know one thing, there's
What's up, y'all? I'm back home and I'm gonna do a quick tournament recap. Basically, it was slow. Almost everyone you ask would tell you it was slow, and even people who caught fish would tell you it was slow. And the same was true for me. I really found one good stretch, as you saw, and in the span of about an hour, I caught all of my good-sized fish, and that was a really good hole. I managed to get on that hole at a good time and get some good fish out of there. But other than that, it was slow all day. Almost no areas were producing really, really well. I don't want to say there was a definitive pattern today because the fish were feeding on shad like they normally are this time of year, and I caught some fish on a shad imitation, but I also caught some of my bigger fish on a Texas rig. It was just kind of back and forth. The fish were hard to predict, but if you could find them, you usually could get them to bite, but it was pretty difficult to find the fish today. I came away with 4th today, and I'm really, really happy with that result. It was a blast of an event, and you know, for a slow day, I'm really happy that I could come away with a good finish. You know, it sucks because I actually would have gotten 3rd, except that the fish that won 3rd was the exact same size as mine, but was submitted 6 minutes before, and in this event, tiebreakers were determined by fish that was submitted first. And I actually had caught my fish at 9:30, though a fish that won 3rd was submitted at 9:58, but I elected to wait until 10 a.m. so I could submit my fish for the 10 a.m. window, which proved to be a little bit foolish on my part, but that's just how it goes. You know, you can't predict that. You weigh the odds, and sometimes things don't work out perfectly. But all in all, I won 2 hourly prizes as well as I won 4th place, and I'm perfectly satisfied with those results. I had a blast. A big shout out to Team Yakuza, Andrew Jacobson, and Mike Chang, for our tournament directors, for running a great event. All the coverage, all the cameras, all the photos, all the sponsor gifts, everything that y'all did and put together was an absolutely great event, and I had a ton of fun. This was absolutely worth coming home from College Station for, and I can't wait to be back. See y'all next time.